Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cool Russian. If you see a lesson 1, you already know how to say hello and introduce yourself in Russian. Today we'll talk in the next step. We'll learn more letters of the Russian alphabet and I'll teach you how to ask and answer how are you just native Russian do. By the end of this video, you'll be able to greet someone, ask how they're doing, and respond naturally in Russian. So grab a notebook and let's start! Last time we learned the first 10 Russian letters. Now let's continue. Repeat after me. Focus on how each letter sounds and looks. L. Example. Lampa. The lamp. L. P. Papa. Dad. P. U. Ура. Hooray. U. F. Photo. Photo. F. Х. Хлеб. Bread. Х. Ц. Цапля. Heron. Ц. Ч. Чай. Ти. Че. Ше. Шапка. Hat. Ше. Ще. Щука. Pike. Fish. Ще. Ий. Мой. My. Ий. The letter H might be a bit tricky. It's like the sound in German Bach or Spanish Jose. Great job! That's 20 letters already. You're more than halfway through the Russian alphabet. Great progress! Now it's time to talk. Let's learn how to ask how are you in Russian. The phrase как дела? Pronounce it. Как дела? Literal meaning. How are you things? Repeat after me. Как дела? Now let's learn some common answers. Хорошо. Good. Хорошо. Очень хорошо. Very good. Очень хорошо. Нормально. Окей, fine. Нормально. Так себе. So-so. Так себе. Плохо. Bad. Плохо. Let's practice. Now let's try a short dialogue. Привет. Hi. Как дела? How are you? Хорошо. А у тебя? Good. And you? Нормально. I am okay. Did you note the phrase «а у тебя»? It means «and you». That's a very natural, friendly way to keep a conversation going. Try it with me one more time. Как дела? Хорошо. А у тебя? Тоже хорошо. Great job! Now let's add some everyday words that Russian use all the time. Сегодня. Today. Сегодня. Спасибо. Thank you. Спасибо. Большое спасибо. Thank you very much. Большое спасибо. Пожалуйста. Please, you're welcome. Пожалуйста. Пока. Bye. Пока. До свидания. Goodbye. До свидания. Let's make a mini conversation. Repeat after me. Спасибо. Thank you. Пожалуйста. You're welcome. Пока. Bye. When you're with friends, just say пока. If you're in a more formal situation, at work or speaking to someone older, say до свидания. Now let's put everything together in one natural conversation. Listen and repeat together with me. Привет. Привет. Как дела? Хорошо. А у тебя? Нормально. Спасибо. Пожалуйста. Пока. Congratulations! You just had your first real Russian conversation. It's short, friendly, and 100% natural. Let's quickly review what you will learn today. 10 new Russian letters. How to ask and answer "How are you?" 5 everyday Russian words. A complete conversation in Russian. That's a huge step forward. Well done! And now your homework. Practice saying all the new letters aloud. Watch this video again and repeat each phrases. Try to say "Как дела?" to a Russian friend or record yourself speaking. In our next lesson, we'll finish the Russian alphabet and learn to read simple Russian words. You start to read in Russian. Don't miss it. Subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Пока!